Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to receive money using Apple Pay right on your iPhone. It's super easy once you set it up, so let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. You'll also need to have Apple Pay and Apple Cash set up. If you haven't done that yet, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the steps to set up Apple Cash. You might need to verify your identity by entering some basic information. Once Apple Cash is ready, you can start receiving money through the Messages app or directly in Wallet. If someone wants to send you money, they can do it right in an iMessage by tapping the Apple Pay button in the chat, entering an amount, and sending it. You'll get a notification that money is on the way, and it will automatically appear in your Apple Cash balance. Once you accept it, if you've enabled automatically accept payments, the money goes straight into your Apple Cash card without you needing to approve it. But if you've turned that off, just tap accept when you receive the notification to complete the transfer. Once the money is in your Apple Cash balance, you can use it in a few different ways. You can spend it directly anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Send it to someone else using Messages, or transfer it to your bank account. Move it to your bank. Open the Wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card. Then tap Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Next, then choose either an instant transfer, which costs a small fee, or a standard transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days and is free. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay and learned how to receive and manage money on your iPhone. It's quick, secure, and keeps everything right at your fingertips.